Warehouse assistant jobs. A warehouse assistant is responsible for assisting in the daily operations of a warehouse, including receiving, storing, and distributing goods. Skills required: attention to detail, organizational skills, physical stamina, and the ability to work in a team are essential for this role. Warehouse assistant duties and responsibilities: receiving goods, accepting deliveries and verifying that the correct quantities of items have been received; storing goods, ensuring that goods are stored correctly and safely, following warehouse procedures; picking and packing orders, selecting items from storage areas, packing them securely, and preparing them for shipment; stock control, monitoring stock levels and reporting any discrepancies to supervisors; inventory management, conducting regular stock checks and updating inventory records; quality control, inspecting goods for damage or defects and reporting any issues to management; health and safety, adhering to health and safety regulations to ensure a safe working environment; cleaning and maintenance, keeping the warehouse clean and organized, and performing minor maintenance tasks as required. Warehouse assistant job requirements: education, a high school diploma or equivalent is usually required; experience, previous experience in a warehouse or similar environment may be preferred; physical fitness, the ability to lift heavy objects and stand for long periods is often necessary; communication skills, good communication skills are essential for interacting with colleagues and following instructions. 4. Warehouse assistant skills: attention to detail, being meticulous in checking and organizing goods; time management, prioritizing tasks and working efficiently to meet deadlines; teamwork, collaborating with colleagues to ensure smooth warehouse operations; problem solving, resolving issues related to stock and orders effectively; technical skills, familiarity with warehouse management systems and equipment is advantageous. Conclusion: warehouse assistants play a crucial role in ensuring the smooth operation of a warehouse. By understanding their duties and responsibilities, warehouse assistants can perform their roles effectively and contribute to the overall efficiency of the warehouse. Get in touch with us www.workersdirecttominfo.uk.